Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to make this sponged sunset anniversary card. I used the new Best Birds stamp set and Birds and Blooms Thinlit dies to complete the card. Love these new dies. I like that there's so many different birds, and the stamp set has so many different sentiments. Anniversary, birthday, wedding, congratulations. Great for many occasions. As you can see, the background is beautiful sunset using many colors here. I started with crushed curry, pumpkin pie, tempting turquoise, and night of navy. And I will show you how to complete that using our sponges. Stampin' Up! Sells these round sponges, and you get 3 in a pack for just $3.50. They're really a good deal because what I do with them is cut them in half, and then I cut that half into thirds. So from one round you get 6 little sponges. I've usually gone through and taken a piece of paper, some cardstock that I've punched out with really any shape will work. And I'll show you how I turn that into a little handle. For your sponge, otherwise your fingers can get inky. Go ahead, slip a punch. I used a circle in this case, and a stapler, and you have a little handle to use on your sponges. So out of one set of 3 you get 24 sponges. If you get 2 sets of 3 you can get enough for your entire core colors in your Stampin' Up! Families. I got this really awesome case at the Container Store that happens to have 40 spots, perfect for 40 colors in our core color families. And as you can see, I've got them all with different individual colors on them. I also have sponge daubers in many of the colors as well, and I keep them in this little case. Alright, let's get started on the card. I like to start with the lightest color first. In this case, that's crushed curry. And you're just going to work in a circular pattern in the center. Like so. Moving on to pumpkin pie. There you go. Tempting turquoise. As you can see, I just inked up my tempting turquoise, so it's very bright. You do want to overlap a little bit of that pumpkin pie. Okay, and then lastly, night of navy. You want to make sure you go really dark with this night of navy, because the darker that night of navy is, the brighter your other colors are going to show, and they're going to really pop. That sunset is going to look really pretty. And there you go. Yeah, you can see I've tried not to be too symmetrical. It's supposed to be nature after all. Okay, once you've got that completed, you just need your birds. I've gone and used these two bird outlines and the branch. You can cut them out all at one time if you're, I have lots of little scraps I like to use up, so I cut them out with the Big Shot. There you go. Okay, you can kind of look to see how you want to line up your sunset. I actually used two branches. You can use one, but I kind of felt like maybe they needed to be on two because they're pretty close together if you just use the one. So I stuck one down. Using my multi-purpose glue here. And then the other, just to make it look like one part of the same branch, kind of comes up there a little bit. The birds go down in the same way. Kind of decide where you want your birds. I think I'll put him down here. There we go. To further the little love theme, I made a heart out of vellum, which I also inked up a little bit, just so it'll stand out. And I tucked it behind them, and they still have a little bit of glue on their bodies, so I know it'll stay down. I made this happy anniversary earlier. I used the triple banner punch to flag the end. Put that down, and there you have it. Okay, now we're just layering. We're going to go ahead and add a nice little base layer. Some in the corners. There we go. And there you have it. Now when you use dark card base like this, it's always nice to add a panel to the inside that's maybe whisper white or very vanilla so that you can write your greeting. I like to add a little strip of washi tape to the bottom, just for fun. And there you have it. Pretty quick little sunset card there. And you're done. I hope you liked the sunset card. For more ideas with using the Best Bird stamp set, and Birds in Bloom Thinlit dies. I hope you'll subscribe. We have some fun projects coming up in the next few days using watercolor on the bird stamps. And we're also going to use this cute little bird outline to make a birdhouse box. Thanks for watching.